Hello, this is Angela from AXA Hong Kong. During the first outbreak of COVID in Hong Kong in February last year, the pandemic has put severe pressure on our frontline medical workers. I'm so proud AXA is the first insurer in Hong Kong to provide free hospital benefit coverage to medical workers to show our appreciation and support. I recall the task force was set up for this meaningful initiative, and the mission is to launch the soonest to provide the coverage and peace of mind to the medical workers. With the smart working and agility in place, I'm able to work with my team and other key stakeholders remotely for the campaign. With a strong collaboration and One AXA spirit, we managed to launch the campaign in 1 week. This is a campaign with good cause and received very positive feedback from customers and community. It gave me the confidence and proof that it's all about the shared values, the trust and respect for individuality on handling each task. Despite the hectic week, the team and I took a lot of joy working together under the new normal, and I'm very proud of the team. I learned empowerment, trust and collaboration are very important to drive through the results regardless the physical locations we are at.